Custom entry doors Lexington are a smart way to elevate curb appeal, security, and home value in Lexington, SC. Homeowners searching for custom entry doors Lexington, custom entry doors Lexington SC near me, and custom front doors ERMO SC often want personalized styles, upgraded materials, and a precise fit for older or newer homes. From decorative glass panels to premium finishes, residential entry doors Lexington can be tailored for traditional entry doors Lexington or modern entry doors Lexington preferences. Whether you live in Lexington, South Carolina, 29072, near downtown Lexington, or in Lexington County, South Carolina, custom sizing, color matching, and architectural detailing make new front doors Lexington a standout investment. Energy-efficient entry doors Lexington help reduce drafts, improve indoor comfort, and support lower utility costs for Lexington SC homes. Many homeowners choose insulated front doors Lexington, fiberglass entry doors Lexington, or steel entry doors Lexington because they perform well in changing South Carolina weather. Energy-efficient entry doors Lexington SC homes need tight seals, advanced cores, and entry door weatherproofing to handle heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. In neighborhoods near Lake Murray, Oak Grove, and Red Bank, exterior door installation Lexington with insulated glass and precision sealing can make a noticeable difference. Front door replacement Lexington, South Carolina should always prioritize comfort, durability, and year-round energy performance. Front door replacement Lexington is one of the fastest ways to upgrade the appearance and function of a home in Lexington, SC. Old, warped, cracked, or outdated doors can lead to poor insulation, security issues, and a less attractive entryway. With entry door installation Lexington SC, homeowners can choose from wood entry doors Lexington, steel entry doors Lexington, fiberglass entry doors Lexington, or pre-hung entry doors Lexington for a seamless replacement process. Front door contractors Lexington, South Carolina, 29071 and entry door company Lexington County, South Carolina professionals often provide measurement, removal, installation, and finishing services. From front door installation Columbia, South Carolina Metro to entry doors West Columbia, South Carolina, demand continues growing for durable, secure front doors. Steel entry doors Lexington offer outstanding strength, security, and low maintenance for busy households throughout Lexington County, SC. Homeowners searching for secure front doors Lexington, steel entry doors Lexington, South Carolina, 29073, and door hardware installation Lexington often prefer steel because it resists impact, adds peace of mind, and pairs well with modern locks and upgraded hardware. For homes in Seven Oaks SC, Springdale SC, and South Congaree SC, steel front doors can be customized with entry door glass inserts Lexington or side lights while still maintaining security. Exterior door installation Lexington County SC becomes even more effective when paired with door frame replacement Lexington and professional weatherproofing for long-term performance. Fiberglass entry doors Lexington are a popular option for homeowners wanting durability, style, and excellent insulation in Lexington, SC. Searches for fiberglass front doors. Red Bank Lexington SC and energy-efficient entry doors Lexington often reflect a desire for doors that resist moisture, dents, and warping better than some traditional materials. Fiberglass can mimic the look of wood entry doors Lexington while delivering lower maintenance and dependable performance. In residential front doors Gilbert SC, entry door replacement Springdale SC, and exterior doors Chapin SC projects, fiberglass continues to be a leading choice. Front door replacement Lexington with fiberglass materials supports both modern entry doors Lexington and traditional entry doors Lexington designs. Wood entry doors Lexington bring timeless beauty and natural character to homes throughout Lexington, SC and surrounding communities. For homeowners wanting a richer, classic appearance, wood entry door installation Oak Grove Lexington SC can create a warm and upscale first impression. Traditional entry doors Lexington often feature wood construction with decorative panels, stained finishes, and entry door glass inserts Lexington for added charm. In areas like Casey SC, Swansea SC, and West Columbia, South Carolina, Residential entry doors in Lexington SC with wood craftsmanship remain a favorite for historic homes and high-end custom builds. Entry door upgrades Lexington involving premium wood species and artisan details can significantly enhance the look of the entire facade. Double entry doors Lexington create a bold, elegant entrance that instantly makes a home feel more open and luxurious. Homeowners interested in double front doors Lexington SC installation often want wider access, dramatic curb appeal, and more natural light through entry door glass inserts Lexington and door sidelights installation Lexington. These larger entry systems are ideal for custom homes in Lexington, SC, upscale neighborhoods near Lake Murray, and properties seeking high-end entry door upgrades Lexington. Available in steel, fiberglass, and wood entry doors Lexington designs, double entry doors can be tailored for both modern entry doors Lexington and traditional entry doors Lexington aesthetics. Professional front door contractors Lexington ensure smooth installation and lasting performance.